In any home, you eventually have to change the light bulbs, hang art, and keep the gutters clean. The right ladder means you won't have to borrow one from a neighbor or use a piece of furniture. But you don't want to go for the first ladder you see. You might end up with one that's too short, can't support your weight, or isn't up to the task at hand. What's up, guys? Today you'll take a look at the best ladders you can buy right now. We'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices, you can check out the links in the description below. If you are new here, do subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest video. Without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Little Giant Ladders. Looking for a lightweight, versatile ladder that's simple to carry from job to job? The flip-in light from Little Giant Ladders might just do the trick. This 14-pound ladder has an easy release handle for quick takedown before moving to the next job. A tool tray top cap holds screws, nuts, bolts, tape measures, levels, and more. It also comes with extra wide rungs to increase comfort and decrease foot fatigue, so users can work for extended periods. An extra large standing platform provides users extra stability and balance. The total weight capacity for the 6-foot Little Giant ladder is 300 pounds, and the maximum reach is 10.3 feet. Flip-in light also comes in 4-foot and 5-foot models. Number 4. Best Choice Products 3-Step Ladder. This reasonably priced stepladder from Best Choice Products allows users to focus on the project rather than break the bank on the tools. Ideal for both indoor and outdoor use, the step ladder has anti-skid rubber feet on all 4 legs to provide safety and support. The steel frame, although lightweight and easy to carry, is solid and reliable. Each step has a tread that helps prevent slips and falls. A bracing rod within the frame provides additional support. The ladder supports up to 330 pounds, including tools, which users can store on the work platform. Best Choice Products step ladder measures 28.7 inches long, 17.7 inches wide, and 52 inches high when open. Number 3. Little Giant Ladders. For users who need a heavy-duty step ladder, conventional ladder, and a staircase ladder, try this multi-position ladder. A no-pinch standing platform gives users a solid surface where they can work without foot fatigue. The versatile top cap includes integrated tool slots in a work tray. When it's time to reposition, users simply tip the ladder and rely on the glide wheels for super easy transport. The select step has a total weight capacity of 300 pounds and reaches a full height of 6 to 10 feet. Number 2. HBTower 3-Step Ladder with Wide Anti-Slip Pedal. HBTower's secure step ladder has 3 steps that support up to 500 pounds. Extra wide steps with non-slip treads and an anti-slip hand grip provide enhanced safety and support. Rubberized feet keep the step ladder in place and protect the floor. An auto-lock buckle on the steel frame locks in place when a user steps on the ladder. A back cross brace reinforces the support. When open, the ladder measures 20.1 inches long, 26.8 inches wide, and 40.9 inches high. It's well suited to indoor and outdoor use. Number 1. Yvan Telescoping Ladder. Suitable for a variety of jobs high and low, this Yvan telescopic ladder is made with a durable aluminum construction that is able to hold up to 330 pounds in weight capacity. It also comes with added plastic construction for reinforcement and 1-button retraction and a convenient carrying strap for storage. While in use, this model also locks in place on each rung for reliable use at any height. While it does extend to over 10.5 featuring, you can rely on its slow-down design to avoid pinching fingers as you extend and retract. Plus, this model comes with the added advantage of being lightweight at just 19 pounds. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like on this video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel.